Okay, this time let's create another kind of monkey, which is what we call baboon. Okay, using this. Alright, so let's create a baboon. First step, of course, inflate the balloon with 3 inches allowance at the end. Next is make a loop like this. Sorry, a bubble, 1 inch bubble like this. And create a loop using this 1 inch bubble like this. Okay, just like that. And create a 4 inches bubble here. The size of your hand. That is your marking for that. Now, create a loop out of this. Just like that. Now, put this small loop here inside of this big loop. 4 inches loop. Just like that. So, we created the head of our baboon. See? So, we have the head of our baboon. Because the head of our baboon should be bigger. Yes, that's right. Now, create 2 small bubbles here for the eyes of our baboon. Just like this. See? So, we created 2 small bubbles here. Less than 1 inch each. Now, make a loop here. Make a loop here. Something like that. So this is the eye of our baboon. See? The eye of our baboon. Now let's create the mouth of our baboon. How? Okay, very simple. Create 2 inches here. 2 inches. Like this. And now, make a loop out of this 2 inches bubble here. This will serve as the mouth of our baboon. See? So we have the mouth. Tada! Okay. So this is the baboon. Now, let's create an arm. Okay, so approximate 3 inches bubble for the arm. And for the hands, let's create 5 small bubbles here. Like this. Okay. We're getting closer here. 3, 4, 5. And I think that's it. Alright. And another 3 inches for the arm. Okay. And this is it. We need to adjust this first before we proceed. Okay, I think it's okay. Already done. Now, we need to twist this. But, of course, this is the important part. Put these 2 bubbles all together here on this side. And, of course, the other side do the same thing. And it will leave the single bubble at the center. Just leave the center. Okay? Now, one more twist for this. Okay, another twist here. Here. That's it. Yeah. One more twist for the hands of our baboon. Just like that. And of course, possibly this side. Do the same thing. Here. One more twist. So that it will lock this thing up. Okay, I think we're done. Now, we need to pop this center like this. See? So this is the arm of our baboon. Okay, I think we're almost done. Yes, that's right. We're almost finished. Okay. Now, next part is the feet of our baboon. But of course, sometimes it happens like this. We're running out of allowance. We need to, of course, adjust this balloon by removing some air inside. Just a few air. Like this. I think that's enough. Okay. I think that's enough. That is so much enough for this. Okay. Let's leave a 2-inch bubble here for the body. And make a loop here. Small loop. And another small loop here. Just like that. Alright. So we have... So wait. Okay. Let's create a small bubble at the end. And create here a loop for the legs of our baboon. Just like this. We're done. Almost. So as you notice, the tail, the feet of our baboon, just make a 2 inches loop for the feet like this. See? And for the arm, 2 inches, and that's it. The baboon. Yes, that's right, baboon. Baboon is in the house. Yeah. Thank you so much, baboon.